Amazon's Black Friday deals are live, and they're absolutely insane this year. Even before the official Black Friday rush, Amazon has slashed prices on 30 must-have products, with discounts of up to 90% off. Stick around till the end because this is your chance to grab top gadgets, home essentials, and more without paying full price. All the deal links are in the description below. Our first deal features the Apple 2025 MacBook Air, now 25% off at just $749, down from $999. This ultra-portable powerhouse with the M4 chip delivers blazing performance, up to 18 hours of battery life, a stunning 13.6-inch liquid retina display, and premium features like a 12-megapixel center stage camera, spatial audio speakers, and Wi-Fi 6E for fast, seamless connectivity. Our second deal features the Oura Ring 4 Gold, now 30% off at $349, down from $499. This advanced health tracking smart ring monitors over 50 wellness metrics, offers up to 8 days of battery life, features a sleek titanium design for 24/7 comfort, and syncs seamlessly with top fitness and health apps for a smarter, more connected lifestyle. Our third deal features this Acer Aspire 15 Slim laptop, now 33% off at $200, down from $297. This lightweight everyday laptop delivers smooth performance with its 8-core Intel processor, a sharp 15.6-inch Full HD display, AI-powered Copilot, and modern connectivity including dual USB-C ports, Wi-Fi 6, and HDMI 2.1. Our fourth deal features the Stanley Quencher H 2.0, now 45% off at just $25, down from $45. This durable stainless steel tumbler keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, features a splash-resistant rotating lid with straw support, fits most car cup holders, and comes with an ergonomic handle for easy all-day hydration. Our fifth deal features the Next Playground, now 20% off at $199, down from $249. This motion-based gaming console turns your living room into an active play zone with camera-tracked movement, includes 5 fun starter games, supports up to 4 players at once, and offers access to a growing library featuring popular characters and franchises. Our sixth deal features the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, now 39% off at $460, down from $760. These customizable outdoor smart lights offer 16 million colors, bright adjustable white lighting, a durable waterproof design built to last up to 50,000 hours, and easy installation with cuttable extendable sections for the perfect holiday or year-round setup. Our seventh deal features the Momcozy CleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, now 20% off at $240, down from $300. This all-in-one machine washes, sterilizes, and dries bottles with 26 powerful spray jets, offers 9 customizable cleaning modes including a quick 19-minute wash, and holds multiple bottles and pump parts for a fast, hygienic, time-saving routine. Our eighth deal features the Stanley Tumbler with handle, now 53% off at just $19, down from $40. This on-the-go tumbler carrier includes a detachable crossbody strap, multiple storage pockets for your phone and essentials, an adjustable comfortable fit, and a secure design perfect for travel, commuting, or everyday adventures. Our ninth deal features the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, now 48% off at $130, down from $250. This smart fitness watch uses Galaxy AI to track performance, offers personalized energy and wellness insights, delivers improved heart rate monitoring, and helps you stay motivated with goal-based coaching and tips. Our 10th deal features the JBL Tune 520 BT, now 67% off at just $20, down from $60. These wireless Bluetooth 5.3 headphones deliver signature JBL pure bass sound, offer customizable EQ settings via the app, and provide a comfortable, cord-free listening experience for music, calls, and more. Our 11th deal features the Intel Core Ultra 9 3.70 GHz processor, now 28% off at $430, down from $599. This high-performance desktop CPU offers 24 cores and threads, unlocks speeds up to 5.7 GHz, integrated Intel graphics, and advanced hybrid architecture for efficient multitasking and next-level computing power. Our 12th deal features the MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop, now 22% off at $700, down from $900. This sleek gaming laptop boasts a 13th gen Intel Core i7, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 for realistic ray-traced graphics, a 15.6-inch 144Hz FHD display, and intelligent MSI tech for faster, smoother performance in both work and play. Our 13th deal features the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2, now 39% off at $200, down from $330. These vibrant outdoor lights offer 16 million colors with smooth RGB effects, AI-generated lighting shows with 100 preset modes, durable waterproof construction for year-round use, and simple installation with included glue and clips. Our 14th deal features the Lenovo AI-powered student gaming laptop, now 20% off at $500, down from $624. This powerful laptop combines an Intel Core HX processor with NVIDIA Ada Lovelace graphics, a 15.6-inch FHD display with vibrant colors, rapid charge battery, and includes 3 months of PC Game Pass for endless gaming and learning possibilities. Our 15th deal features the Western Digital 14TB external hard drive, now 39% off at $170, down from $280. This massive storage drive offers fast data transfers, plug-and-play convenience for Windows PCs, reliable WD quality, and plenty of space for all your personal files, backups, and media. Our 16th deal features the Nordic Track T-Series treadmill, now 20% off at $639, down from $799. This home-friendly treadmill offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour, adjustable 0 to 10% incline, key-flex cushioning for joint comfort, and a 5-inch LCD display with a device shelf to follow iFit workouts for an immersive fitness experience. Our 17th deal features the Roku Smart TV 50-inch, now 23% off at $230, down from $300. This 4K HDR10 TV delivers sharp, lifelike visuals, easy access to 500+ streaming channels, customizable home screen navigation, and voice control compatibility with Roku, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Our 18th deal features the Asus ROG Strix G16 2025, now 20% off at $1,200, down from $1,500. This high-performance gaming laptop boasts an Intel Core i7, NVIDIA RTX 5060 GPU with DLSS 4, 16GB DDR5 memory. Our 19th deal features the Sonos Arc Ultra soundbar, now 20% off at $879, down from $1,099. This premium soundbar delivers 9.1.4 Dolby Atmos spatial audio, AI-powered speech enhancement for crystal clear dialogue, all-around immersive sound with sound motion technology, and elegant design with versatile control options. Our 20th deal features the Hatch Restore 3, now 18% off at $140, down from $170. This smart sleep assistant helps create a bedtime routine with customizable lights and soothing sounds, includes a trial of Hatch plus premium content, and supports healthier, more restful sleep for a better night every night. Our 21st deal features the Smart Ring with sleep apnea monitoring, now 30% off at $209, down from $299. This AI-powered ring tracks sleep apnea with real-time insights, offers multi-day comfortable wear, provides personalized health data through its app, and requires no subscription for lifetime access to its full suite of features. Our 22nd deal features the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini, now 20% off at $399, down from $499. This smartphone delivers an exceptional pixel camera with AI enhancements, an all-day battery with extreme battery saver for up to 100 hours, built-in Gemini AI for seamless assistance, and a durable design for everyday use. Our 23rd deal features the Insta360 X5 Essentials Bundle, now 15% off at $560, down from $660. This 360-degree camera captures stunning 8K video with dual sensors, excels in low light with a triple AI chip, offers invisible selfie stick shots, and includes InstaFrame mode for instant, ready-to-share videos. Our 24th deal features the Marshall Acton 3 speaker, now 40% off at $180, down from $300. This re-engineered speaker delivers immersive wide stereo sound, effortless Bluetooth pairing, a sleek sustainable design with recycled and vegan materials, and signature Marshall audio for powerful room-filling music. Our 25th deal features the Asus VivoBook Go 15.6-inch, now 33% off at $220, down from $330. This slim laptop offers a 15.6-inch Nano Edge display, AMD Ryzen 3 processor with integrated graphics, 8GB memory, and 128GB storage. Our 26th deal features the Tenneco One S5 Smart, now 42% off at $259, down from $450. This smart 2-in-1 vacuum and mop cleans wet and dry messes with iLoop sensor technology, features a high-performance brush for corners and baseboards, and offers a larger dual-tank system for uninterrupted streak-free cleaning. Our 27th deal features the Sonos Beam Gen 2 soundbar, now 30% off at $349, down from $499. This compact soundbar delivers Dolby Atmos 3D surround sound, rich bass and clear dialogue, wireless streaming from all your favorite services, and easy control via the Sonos app, TV remote, AirPlay 2, or voice commands. Our 28th deal features the OnePlus 13, now 18% off at $700, down from $850. This powerhouse smartphone offers a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, and a 120Hz QHD plus Pro XDR display for smooth, vibrant visuals in gaming, streaming, and daily use. Our 29th deal features the Leany Photo Printer, now 36% off at $140, down from $220. This portable 4x6 printer works with iPhone, Android, and PC, uses thermal dye sublimation for vibrant, durable photos, and comes with 100 sheets of paper and 3-color cartridges for printing memories right away. Our 30th deal features the XL Oval Ice Bath, now 90% off at $70, down from $700. This spacious 139-gallon tub supports full-body immersion, features 6-layer insulated durable construction for temperature stability, and is perfect for cold plunges, recovery, or shared family use. So that's a wrap on today's 30 insane early Black Friday deals on Amazon with discounts up to 90% off. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.